Hello, you there, and welcome. I'm Dr. Edith Brignoni, and I believe our brain and its whole system is our most valuable health asset. My mission here is to help you protect it, strengthen it, and unlock its full potential. I'm a neuroscientist, educator, consultant, coach, and author, and above all, a fellow human being. And you may be wondering, what qualifies her to share brain health knowledge with the world? I love that question if you're wondering, because it's exactly the one I want you to ask every time you see someone making claims about the brain or the nervous system. Always ask, what are their qualifications to talk about these topics? And where do those qualifications come from? For now, here's a quick overview of mine. I earned a BA in psychology with a focus on developmental psychology and behavioral neuroscience. And while finishing my undergraduate studies, I also completed a summer research internship in cognitive neuroscience at NYU. I then pursued a one-year postbaccalaureate in neuroscience, followed by a PhD in neuroscience, specializing in developmental cognitive and clinical neuroscience across pediatrics and neurology. Later, I worked as a postdoctoral clinical researcher in neuroscience across multiple departments, including pediatrics, psychiatry, psychology, and neonatology. Beyond research, I've served as a university professor at several higher education institutions and as a health program specialist at the U.S. National Institutes of Health. In short, I've dedicated my academic and professional pathway to studying and educating about how the brain and nervous system work and how everyday habits such as sleep, stress, relationships, and especially early life experiences shape our lifelong health. I'm also the founder of Baby Abrazo, where we help families, professionals, and communities apply neuroscience in real life. I started this channel because I believe brain health is for everyone, not just scientists or healthcare providers, but parents, students, professionals, caregivers, anyone who wants a better life. We live in a time of endless information, and yet misinformation about the brain is everywhere. Add artificial intelligence to the mix, and things get even more confusing. We know it. That's why I created this channel, a trusted space where you'll get accurate neuroscience-backed guidance you can actually use. And yes, from someone who is truly a doctor of neuroscience. Not just borrowing the prefix neuro, as it has become trendy over the last 10 to 15 years, but that's a topic for another video. Here, you'll find videos on topics like neuroplasticity, memory improvement, mental resilience, stress management, and simple daily habits that support lifelong brain health. I will also share real stories, bust common myths, and give you practical tips you can apply right away. Some videos will be in English, like this one. Some will be in Spanish, because brain health knows no borders, and neither do I. And since I speak both, well, why not? And no, it won't be an AI translating for me. Most importantly, this is a journey. As I grow this channel, I will be experimenting, learning, and evolving right alongside with you. So my hope is that this becomes a community where we share knowledge, inspire each other, and keep our brain and thus our life thriving. If this mission sounds like something you'd like to be part of, please hit that subscribe button and join me on this brain health journey. Also, if you believe your friends, your family members, or your colleagues will benefit from learning and putting into action this brain health knowledge, please share this channel with them because we want to grow this community together. I'd also love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below with your biggest brain health questions and/or topics you'd want me to cover in a future video, because your input will really help me to guide what's coming next. To get started today, click on the Linktree link in the description. You'll find my free brain health checklist and other resources awaiting for you. So, to take home, remember my philosophy: better brain, better life, backed by neuroscience. See you next time.